Well, wham, but bam. Check and make sure the camera's clean. Bam. You already know what it is. Got the bike, but we also got some parts. And so we're gonna put the motorcycle up on the lift. And so got some packages here. We're gonna do some unboxing and see what we got. So first thing is first, let's see. I wanna unpackage first. Yes, let's unpackage this first so we can take a look at it. Satisfying. This is a package. Oh, cool. This is the little fee guy. So this should be a sticker. This should be a fairly straightforward install. I think, alright, so this is what the rubber kind of looks like. So you just pop it out, you unplug it, and it should just pop back in. Alright, once it's hooked up, it looks like, I don't even think you can see it, but it looks like that. And you got USB ports, so Type C and Type A. So pretty cool. It's also weatherproof. Alrighty, second package. I got this motorcycle mount. We're gonna go ahead and install it. This is a fork stem mount. Haven't used this before, but if you're doing a CFMoto, it is a 32. We remove that. Wow, that's what that looks like. So this one doesn't require a special case for your phone, but you'll want to adjust the back to the size of your phone. So you'll loosen these and put your phone on there. It works with multiple phones and multiple different cases. So this is a Pixel 10 Pro, so it's about the size of an iPhone 17 Pro or 6.2, 6.3 inch phone. So it fits pretty snug. Charging port is accessible. It's not going to fall out, and it still has the vibration to protect your camera. So you'll need something like. Alright, that is pretty stuck on there, and we'll go ahead and put in the mount. We switch to the Metas, so this is what it looks like when you're on the motorcycle. You can see it's pretty snug on there. It's not going to do anything. And then it has this little bar so you can adjust it if you need to. So we make it a little bit easier for us. And then it still looks good. So, I guess you'll have to maybe lift it a little bit. Let's see. There we go. That's perfect. Really, I feel like I can do the entire video with the Metas, but the only thing that sucks about the Metas is having to upload them to the app and then move them and the whole process. I'd rather just do it on an SD card, but the next piece here is, I think these are the frame sliders. These pieces. So let's see. And look at that. Another sticker. Same exact sticker. That's hilarious, actually. I don't even know where the first one, so. Oh. 2 stickers. This is what that looks like. These are just plastic, it feels like. So I don't know if they'll be really protective. I was thinking about getting, what do you call it? Comes with screws. But I was thinking about getting a different color, but I'm glad I went with the stock color. But these would be really easy to repaint anyway, so we'll go ahead and put those on. Our next package is packaged so crazy, so we're gonna see what we can do to open this. But Amazon bag inside of a postal box. So, oh man. Alright, bunch of envelopes. This is hilarious, not gonna lie. Got more envelopes. Cool. Alright, so this is a peg assembly. I don't know, it's for the right side, because the right side is currently busted. So cool, we will go ahead and replace that as well. Alright, next box. Boom. We're gonna go ahead and spin it, same cadence, I guess. This is a bracket for the license plate with turn signals integrated and the wiring. So heck, we'll go ahead and install that in the rear as well. For business, a stand. Yup. We're gonna go ahead and assemble this and see how it works, or how good it is. That's what the stand looks like. It's actually really easy because it's like a long bar, so you don't feel any of the weight. But I had my wife just hold it while I did it, but you could probably do it with one person. But super light, like I said. Long bar equals move the world. That's leverage for you. All right, this was a bunch of, it was just wrapped in bubble wrap, really. This is the part that we got here. This goes under right here. It's all damaged and cracked back here, so this is what we got to replace it. So this should be fun. All right, so what is next is, now that we got it up in the air, this is the most important, crucial part that we'll need to make everything come together. And then we still need to get the tire off so we can get it swapped out, or the wheel, whatever. But yeah, I got the new tire in the truck. Take this off. We're gonna take this off, disassemble a couple of things, go from there, see what else we need, but... Clears. Alright, this whole neutral?
Yeah, I don't see the end.
Well, it'll turn off if it's not.
How close are we?
About halfway done. Not really that far, but we've made some progress.
I feel like it'll go back together quicker than it came off.
I agree. We got the new clears here. So they're clears, obviously, as you can tell. There's no housing on them, straight clear. Alrighty, we're down to the last bolt here. Pretty much all the wiring and the electronics can chill, like big chill. So they could just come off these little lashes here, but they're just in place. It's just a wiring harness. The hardest bolts to get this piece off are in here.
Here goes.
Yep, the bolts look like this. So they're not the best. These are 5 Allen, so pretty fun. But after that, should just pull right off. Here's the side of the bike. All the stuff off. Now it's recording. All right.
Look at that.
We have magically done the work for everyone to see. So it's just
not dark outside.
It's totally light,
yeah.
But definitely. Oh, bam. But we got everything pretty much put together, minus a few bolts here and there. But everything structurally is a-okay. The equipment back here is a lot better. So it's no longer has this $1 million gap. It's a little loose, but we like it, so it's chill. And then we just need to attach the lights, and that's really it. So lights, brake pedal assembly, gotta figure out the front lights, and then we gotta take off this tire so that we can change it later. But I think that's it for tonight.
It's shower time.